Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wally, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Wally app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Upon entering the app, tap on the budget icon. Select the Create a Budget option. Choose a time frame for your budget. Monthly is recommended for beginners. Enter your total monthly income in the designated field. Next, allocate amounts for each spending category. Consider categories such as housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Ensure your budgeted amounts add up to your total income. Once you've set your categories, tap Save to confirm your budget. To track your expenses, return to the home screen. Tap on the Add Expense button regularly as you spend. Input the amount spent and the corresponding category. Review your budget weekly to identify areas where you can adjust. Use the Insights feature to see your spending trends. If needed, update your budget monthly based on changes in income or expenses. Remember to celebrate small achievements as you stick to your budget. Adjust your categories as your financial goals evolve over time. Utilize Wally's reminders to help you stay on track with your spending. With regular use, you'll gain better control over your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.